This is a review of the off-road monster truck vehicle toy that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys all the important features of this monster truck toy and show you guys all the cool things about it as well too. But yeah, one of the main things I want to talk about in this particular is that the quality of this is really high quality. It looks really nice. I love how the top of it, you can see the fire, grass, and the pretty much a flame. It looks really amazing and really high quality. It does have some cells on the back of it that's not included, so you need to buy it separately, the cells, and they are a triple cells, the pretty much the skinny cells that you have to put, not the double A but the other cells. And once you put that for both sides and one for right over here, then it should be ready to go. And there's an on and off button like right here is located right over here. So if I press that button right there, then the remote it will turn on when the button right over here that's located. So if I click on, that will turn on right there. And for this thing, that also located on the back side of it as well too. So when you hit that switch right there, that red button you see there, it automatically turns on, and this will illuminate and turn on. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys, and we're gonna take this thing to pretty much somewhere that has tiles, because it does operate well on carpet. But sometimes when you move it around carpet, if you're like turning it, it has a little pretty much it's very like, for carpet, it's pretty much it'll move. But the thing is that it's not really as sturdy as, you get the best performance on tiles. So we're going to go to a place that has tiles and show you guys how this thing performs. Okay, so we're at a location that has tiles and flooring, and now we're going to operate this thing and show you guys how well this thing performs. But yeah, let's pretty much start it here. So this is the RC wireless remote that it comes with. So when I click forward, and you can see how fast this thing goes. Like, it's really fast and really entertaining. Me, as an adult, this thing is really fun to use as well too. This is for, from ages 6 to 12, or pretty much, you can also use this as adults too. And even adults have fun time with this thing too. And right here is the left, pretty much you turn it around. So what this thing does exactly is that you can make, rotate it around. You can pretty much go counterclockwise. You can go pretty much like there, counterclockwise, or the other clockwise, like right over here. And then there's a button right here. If I press this button, it's going to flip. So right there, you can see here, it could go flip, and I could rotate it, turn it around. It really is fun, like the monster off-road trucks that you see, like from the pretty much you see on the TV. It's like pretty much like that, but in a pretty much in a toy form. Really is entertaining. Overall, it really is a high quality product, and it goes really fast. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys more of the stunts that this thing has and how entertaining and fun this thing is. Okay, so these are all the stunts that it has. So I'm gonna go pretty much play with this thing. So like this, and then we can go press it down like here. There's a lot of features, but one thing I do want to say that is that this thing is extremely fast, and the speed that it has is really crazy. And you can see how entertaining and fun this monster truck off-road is. It really is an entertaining toy for for children, and also for adults as well too. I would definitely recommend this product because of how entertaining and fun it is. It's really easy to use. It has a wireless remote control as well too. You could also, I do want to mention that I did use this on the outdoors as well too, and it could go very far away. So the RF wireless remote that it comes with, it could go pretty much from a long distance. And one thing, like I did told you guys before, is that the speed and endurance that this monster truck has is really fast. So I could go forward just like this again. And you could go in circles too. You could go 360 degrees and go up like that. And when I decide to, I can just press it down like this. But overall, like I mentioned before, I would definitely recommend this monster truck because it really is a fun, a toy to have for, especially for children mostly. And it really is very easy to use. It's fun. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. And if you're looking for something to have entertainment in your home for your children or for your kids, then this, monster truck is something I would definitely and highly recommend.